Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy Video Style channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to do some organization. I'm going to show you how I organize my stuff, and I have my car garage that is full of stuff. And guys, I'm in a moving process. When I'm moving, I don't move my stuff like boom. I just take my time because I have a lot of breakable stuff and some jars, some vases, a lot of them. So I really take my time. Let's say if I'm moving in 3 months, I start packing my things like months ahead. I have a lot of comments in my description box asking me in the comment section, not description box, asking me where do I store my things. Today's the day I'm going to show you where I put everything. Okay, behind me it's my Toca garage. So I don't pack my car inside. Instead of me packing my car inside, I just put all my things. Guys, I'm warning you, you need to go easy on me because this is not a kid-friendly zone, and it's different from the other part of my house. Okay guys, make sure to watch the video. And before I start the video, I have a video collaboration that I'm going to show you how I'm going to organize everything. And this is a part 1, and be sure to wait for the part 2 because I'm starting. People will help me move things, but they're not going to help me pack them because if anything breaks, they don't want to held accountable for it. Before we jump into the video guys, this is a video collaboration with this company that sent me this light luxurious storage box. Guys, those are so great because they're so fancy. I love them. In the time of the year when I need to organize everything that I have. And as you can see guys, I'm doing the unboxing. If you order one, that's all you're gonna see inside. They have a minor instruction how to put it together. Super easy to put together.
Chase that morning, close your eyes. You wanna wake up where there's no goodbyes, and all your numbered days return to one.
This box has 6 storage box inside, and guys, as you can see, I'm going to put one of them together for you to see. It's super easy to put together. Just 1, 2, 3, and then you're good to go. The link will be in the description box down below, and as well the comment section. So if you want one like this, it will be easy for you to access it, and make sure to buy to my link. And guys, as you can see how I put it together very fast. If you don't want 6, you can always buy 3, or if you don't want this size, you can always buy the larger one. It's up to you guys. Make sure to check the link. And I really like the material. It's very nice. It's a fancy way to store all your things. Okay guys, as you can see, the material is very sturdy. I can't stress enough about it. It has a little wheel, 4 wheels, so for easy carry, easy on everything. And I like this part if you don't want to use it with cover. So this one help to keep the white perimeter, help to keep it in place, in shape. While you're moving, you do whatever you want if you don't want to use the cover. It's very nice. They don't take a lot of place. You can stack them. They stack very, very well together, very beautifully made. I love them. So guys, you don't want to miss none of this because you want your home to look very luxurious, even it's just your storage. Okay guys, I'm using this part. I'm showing you what I put on them, so you can put whatever you want, but me, I like to put all the colors together. It saves me a lot of time. So if I need red, yellow, green, whatever color that I need, I know exactly where to get them. So it's really nice to have everything well organized. Okay, this one have 10 window curtains, so you can still take more. And those are my red napkins, my neutral colors, and you can store whatever you like, bed sheet, pillowcases, anything. So me, that's what I have in them so far right now. The link will be in the description box down below. If you want one like this, be sure to check the box down below. As you can see how they look so nice when you stack them together. Okay guys, let's go to the garage now and keep on watching. As you can see, the door cannot open from the outside. I have to open it from the inside. And guys, that's the way everything is. As I told you guys, please don't beat me. Go easy on me. As you can see, everything, so I don't really have, everything is a mess right now, but it's, my sister call it beautiful clutter. They all expensive things mixed up with some thrift things. As you can see, this is my coffee table. And guys, the home that I used to live, my older house, was a 3,500 square footage home. So all those things has their own place. I didn't want to give up on them. That's why I put them in the storage unit that I was paying $350 every month. So I didn't want to keep paying that money. That's why I put them here. And inside this, that's where I have all my napkin rings and other things that very small. So I know my kids don't really go there, but I just want to prevent them from being lost or anything. So that's all my napkin rings, guys. I have a lot of them. And then this is nothing compared to where other one that I have, because there's some of them I haven't used yet. It's some of them you guys haven't seen in my videos yet. So, and I have some of them in my closet. Oh my god, it's I'm speechless. I don't know what to say, but this is my habit, guys. That's what I do. People always ask me, why do you work so much? Because I love to shop a lot. And you know, that's I love to do. Some people smoke, some people drink. Me, I love to shop. I love to create things. I love to be creative. This is my passion. So, and unfortunately, the place that I'm living is super small, cannot have everything that I have right now. And I didn't want to give up on them. And there's some of the stuff that I already put in boxes, and some of them are Christmas trees and other things. So that's the way my things are right now. Guys, this video I recorded couple weeks back. So there's some couple change that I did that I'm going to show you later on in the video. And this one I tied because my grandson used to come over, so I don't want I don't want by any mistake the door left open and kid go there. So this one have all of them are breakable, but this one I can close it if I don't tie it. I don't want kid go on it, and I have, my son is autistic, so if anything is tied, it's not going on it. But if it's not tied, it might go. But the way my home is, they not allowed in this place, so that's what is a good thing for me right now. As you can see, the back, all my beautiful vases, all my things. There's some of them I get from the thrift store, and some of them I get from Z Gallery, Home Goods, Burlington, name it. It's my little store, but not organized. If I can say it this way, everything here is very nice thing. It's like they not store the proper way. So this what I'm going to work on in right now. As you can see, guys, this is the other side of the garage. And guys, all my ginger jar, I have some boxes and a lot of things. So I already start. It's every day I do something. Every day I pack something whenever I have time, because I don't want my kid going to be on vacation. That's the time I'm going to start moving. So I don't want when summer comes, that's the time I'm going to just washing things because I don't have time, and I just take it a day at a time. So whenever I have time off, and I just pack some of the things I know I'm not going to use soon on my videos. That's the one I put in the boxes. And right here, that's where I have all my placemats and other things, and some plate that I get from the thrift store, my beautiful chargers, and all the things that I have here. It's a little bit dusty, but you know, as I'm unpacking them, I'm going to clean them. Everything that have a little dust, I'm going to just clean them. Some of them are brand new, I haven't used. Some of them you have seen before. Some of them I haven't used. So as you can see, they're all beautiful things, nice thing. It's just I don't have space to put them. And I have some of them I have for quite time. I just don't want to give up on them, because if I buy them for a certain type of money, and when you post them, you're not going to have the full value. And this is my vase that I get from Z Gallery. Whenever I'm not using it, I put it back here because like I said, I don't have space to put things. So it's always good to have my thing in boxes as much as possible to have more space, if I may say it this way. As you can see in my greeneries, that's for summer. This is from the outside. If you stand outside the garage, that's how you're gonna see it. I just do it this way, and I do a hole in between so I can go through if I need something. That's how I do it. And as you can see, I have so many boxes bin with flowers, all the TVs that I have in my previous place. And guys, as you can see, those are my decor. There are a lot, but they're not a mess. Like they're not really a mess like other place you go. No, it's a lot of them, and I make sure I organize them as much as I can. If I need something, I know exactly where to get it. So that's the way I do it. And then those are my flowers. You have seen some of the flowers. I have like 5 bins like that with flowers, 5 of them full with flowers, and without counting the one you see hanging over there. Those are my DIY mirror and other things that I have. I like to hold on to my things. Forgive me if I'm like that, but it's just I spend a lot of money for them. So and I'm going to use them anyway. I don't want to give them away like that. There's a lot of things I'm going to trash, but there's a lot of things too I'm not going to trash, because the home that I'm going to move in is a huge home, so it's gonna hold everything that I have here beautifully. So this is my IKEA chest that I use in my beauty room. And if you have missed my beauty room video, it's gonna be up there. And this is my other sofa, and I cover it so it doesn't lose it doesn't get ugly. That's what I cover it. And inside cannot hold both. And when I move out, I had them for like 4 months, and I paid a lot of money for them. I didn't want to give them away like that, because I tried to sell them. They didn't want to give me the good value money for it. So I said I'm gonna hold on to it until I'm moving. But I didn't know I was going to stay here for that long. But thank God, and the wait is over. I'll be moving soon. The reason I'm still here, because my kids are still in school. I'm waiting for them to finish. At the end of May, school will be over here. So that's the time I'm going to start with my moving process. As you can see, guys, like I said, they're not messy, they're not all over the place. I know exactly where to get them. As you can see, those are my spray paint. I know exactly if I need something where to get it. They are a lot, but I know exactly where everything is. So as you can see, so I have all my thing well in place. So for those of you that always wanted to know where I store my things, this is where I store my things whenever I'm not using them. And those are my charger. I have a lot of charger plates. I buy them to do DIY. This is a juicer I never use. And those are my Christmas and things. So as you can see, guys, and I have a lot of things in my kitchen, my dinnerware. So I have a lot of them in my kitchen cabinet, and this gonna be another video. But right now, that's what I have so far. So if you like the video, so just give me a thumbs up and make sure to come back to see how I finish to organize everything, because everything that you see here going to be in boxes. Everything I'm going to store them, fix them, and very nice, so I can fit them in one. I think I'm going to take a Penske or you will, who knows, any of them. So I'm going to take just to move out. And those ones are my fall decor that you have seen in my other videos. And those are my Christmas thing that I added on top of this, because each time I'm done with a video, I have to put it somewhere so I can put them in a safe place. So that's what I have so far. Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.